If you drive a Renault Clio 4 from 2012 to 2016, this 10-inch multimedia player from AliExpress turns your dashboard into a smart, modern center. First, the screen. You can choose an in-plane switching panel with a resolution of 1280 by 720, or a quantum dot light emitting diode panel with a resolution of 2000 by 1200. Both options deliver sharp maps, clear text, and smooth touch response. Brightness and viewing angles are strong, so directions and street names stay easy to read, day or night. Navigation is built in. The global positioning system chip locks on quickly and stays stable even in busy city streets. That means you do not need a separate device. You get reliable turn-by-turn directions, offline map support depending on your app, and fast rerouting when traffic changes. Connectivity is a major win. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can bring your favorite apps for maps, music, calls, and messaging. With 4G data and wireless internet connection, you can stream playlists, update maps, and fetch live traffic. Bluetooth handles hands-free calls and audio with minimal delay. Control feels natural in daily driving. The unit supports the controller area network bus system in the Renault Clio 4, which means steering wheel buttons work for volume, tracks, and calls. You can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. The split screen feature lets you keep navigation on one side and music or messages on the other, which is perfect for commuting or weekend trips. Performance is flexible. You can pick memory from 1 to 8 gigabytes and storage from 32 up to 256 gigabytes. That gives you room for apps, music, and video files without slowdown. The plug-and-play harness is designed for the Clio 4, so installation is straightforward for most trims. Sound quality benefits from digital signal processing, giving you cleaner vocals, tighter bass, and better control over equalizer settings. Pair it with the factory speakers, or upgrade later for even more depth. The design is clean and heat-resistant, with a rating that helps against dust and splashes. There is no compact disc or digital video disc drive, which keeps the front panel sleek and makes space for modern storage and streaming. Who is this for? If you want affordable navigation, smartphone integration, and smooth everyday control in a Renault Clio 4, this AliExpress head unit delivers a lot of value. It makes the car feel newer, safer, and more enjoyable without a premium price. If you want me to test a specific app or sound setting, leave a comment and I will cover it in the next video. Links and details are in the description.